Here's a pretty big topic. What drives human behavior? Just this question itself can be overwhelming. There are thousands upon thousands of little details that all collectively result in one behavior. So whether it's happiness and dancing, or being enraged and fist fighting, there are hundreds of thousands, maybe even millions of calculations and chemical reactions going on at once to result in just one behavior. And we're always trying to improve our behavior as individuals, and of course, as a group, in our nation, and as a culture. And all of us struggle with mental health, and even the entire mental health field seems to be struggling sometimes. So it's time to go to my old friend again, Mr. Grady. Mr. Grady, we're struggling. Got any tips on how to improve behavior?
Yeah. Well, we've been struggling for a long time. Seems to me people forget it's all about human energy. Every form of energy is destructive unless it's linked to some kind of organized machine or apparatus, controls and regulations to make it do something good. See that little thing in your pocket there, you call it a device. Well, they give it something called an operating system now, don't they?
Well, yeah, that's right. An operating system.
And now, even more important than that thing in your pocket is another device that's inside that head of yours. And think of how much more complicated it is to have an operating system through religions and ideologies, philosophies. But now that we're all connected, we can really start to put a good one together.
And he's right. We have a disorganized code. We're getting disorganized results. Time to take the best stuff from the old stuff and make something new and better. Join the lessons that help us keep them coming to you. And you can when you like, share, subscribe, or donate. And tell a friend to visit us at thecitizenbody.com.